my gosh, don't freak out. But I think you sat in something. It's all over your butt.
What do you think it is?
Maybe it's your ice cream.
You want to smell it?
Oh, it doesn't smell nice.
I don't want to touch it.
Maybe it's poop.
Yeah, I think so.
Or maybe it's mud. Okay,
I
maybe
can
it's
smell
mud.
it from here. I don't think it's mud.
Let's just be positive. Maybe it's mud. Should we go home to change?
Okay, just see if someone's watching us. Okay,
No one's watching. It's
idea.
okay.
Wait, just give me a second.
What's your idea?
Just help me a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think nobody is watching me.
Okay.
I will put it on top of my dress, and then we can think of something.
Oh, to cover it. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
to cover
see.
it a little bit. Okay. What about?
It
yeah.
didn't work. I have spray paint, okay, from my art class.
Yeah, your art class.
Maybe if we just spray on it, it's
Okay,
gonna cover it.
try. Oh, it's a little bit cold.
Yeah. But you know what? It's kind of working.
Yeah. Okay.
It's looking good, actually.
Okay. Actually, it's covered, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna make a design so it looks like it's natural. You just brought it.
Do you have other color by chance?
I do.
What color do you have?
I have pink.
Okay, maybe here.
Yeah.
It's gold.
Oh, the pink looks amazing. It's
Yeah,
super
with the
bright.
bright. It's very, very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe some yellow on top. One like that.
Okay. I think we should remove it to see the result.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's remove it. You're
Okay.
ready.
Yeah, just give me a second. Have to put it back. Okay. Yeah, just so no one is watching it. Okay, help me out here.
Okay. No one's watching. You're okay.
Just put it over one more time.
Oh my gosh, you're going to love it.
Okay,
Really.
let me see.
It's so cool.
So nice.
It looks like scales.
It's awesome.
Amazing. You did such a great job.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
What a lovely day.
Wait.
What?
Darling, I think maybe you stepped in something.
Period.
Yeah.
Do you have
something
something
to change into? Did you get something?
No, what
No.
is?
Okay, hold on. Wait, I think I can use this.
No, my umbrella. No,
Trust
it
me.
will rain.
Trust me, it's not gonna rain.
But
Yeah, we can get. Okay,
How?
hold on. I have an idea. Can I take this off?
No, in a public place.
No. It's okay. No,
I'm dirty.
No.
No way.
Hold on. Do you have scissors?
Yes, I think.
Okay.
Here. I don't feel comfortable.
It's fine.
Maybe I should cut this, and after I take out my skirt, I can make it.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fast.
What are you
I got
doing?
it. I got you.
You're destroying
I got
it.
you. No,
You're
it's okay.
destroying it.
Don't worry. I'll get you another one.
Oh my god.
Hold on. We have that party to get to. You can't show up
Yes,
like this.
my favorite skirt is ruined.
It's okay.
And
We'll
I
get it
put
out
so
later.
much layer. I even put a short, but it doesn't work. So after,
Hold on. Let me open it. Here, I can hide you.
and what you will do with this?
I'm gonna cut this up and we can put it on top.
Like a top? I need
Yeah.
a skirt.
No,
I
it's a
need
skirt.
something.
Here, help me get it up.
Okay.
Quick.
Yes, quick. I can't be like this in public.
It's
It's
good.
awkward.
You got this today. Okay.
We
Throw
don't need it.
Put your hands up.
But quickly, they see me.
Here. Look, wait. Slowly. Okay. Look, it worked. Wait, turn around. Yeah, sure. You can't see anything. Okay, hold on. We have to make it not look like an
That's
umbrella.
pretty nice, actually.
Yeah. Okay, I can give
I'll
you my
buy
umbrella
seven.
too.
And it's waterproof.
Yes.
I can use
How
it
about
for my
this?
period.
Okay, we'll put it in the back. Make sure
Yes.
it covers more, okay?
That's awesome.
What do you
I
think?
can't believe it.
How about you look even more Christmassy than before?
I like it. I
Yeah.
will buy the same one umbrella, but
Yeah, I think you're making a new
to go
fashion
as a
statement. Yeah? You know?
What do you think?
Oh, you're great. Now you're even more protected. Better than
Yes?
before. Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
So, here, the scissors.
Everything?
Yes, and thank you very much. You were too.
Hey, you look great.
Let's go. We're
Okay.
late.
Wait, don't.
We don't need it.
All right, let's go.
Not again.
So hot today. Oh no! Wait, stop! Come back! Come here! Come back! Can't you see? We have to go to the police station.
Yes, but we need to have a proper closing. Here, take the scissors.
Scissors?
Yes, I think he dropped them. Okay, hold here, and hold here. I'm gonna make a pants.
Oh girl, we need to hurry up, you know. Everything was in this bag. My
I know,
phone,
I know.
money, everything.
And my car keys, you know?
Oh no.
Yes, but I hope the police guys will help us because I didn't see him. I didn't even notice what he was wearing.
I remember he was wearing a blue t-shirt, yes.
Okay.
And he also left this evidence to us.
Which one?
Scissors.
Fingerprints. Yes, good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this quick.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna put this over here.
What's that?
Turn around. I'm gonna try make you a pants. I'm gonna tie them together. Oh, my arms are shaking. I'm really stressed out right now about the situation.
But
how could he do that? Okay, come back here.
We have pants, and for us we also need 2 tops, right?
But how we can make 2 tops?
But we have only 1 t-shirt, and okay, maybe I'll try to make 2 tops from your t-shirt, right? That's a great idea.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just tie them together. Look. The pants look amazing.
Well, I would enjoy it better if we weren't in this stupid situation.
I agree. Okay, so tell me what your idea.
Okay.
So how should I hold it?
It's pretty long, and I want to make 1 short top for
Okay,
me.
I'm gonna hold it here.
Yeah.
The wind.
Okay.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna make 2 tops. One will be on you and one will be on me.
Yeah, this.
Okay, which one?
Yes, this is for me.
Okay. I'll help you. Okay, I'm holding. Oh, great idea.
Just like that.
So it will be
Okay,
cropped
okay.
up. Yeah. Okay.
Can you just
tie
put it on me? Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I'm gonna tie it together. Is that good?
Yeah, and also I'll take off.
Okay, I'm opening this one, so hold your top.
I'm holding everything.
Okay, and now I'm tying it together.
Yeah.
Take out the top.
Can I take off?
Yes, are you taking? Okay, it's not too tight.
No, it's actually very comfortable. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, so I'm putting it also on me.
Yes.
Okay,
I'll
hold
take
those scissors. Yeah, hold those scissors. We need them.
Take everything we have.
Oh, I'm super
Do you know
worried.
where's the nearest police station?
I think it's over there. Let's go.
Hey, my scarf!
Look what you're wearing!
It's my grandma's scarf.
Look what you're wearing! Your dress, it looks like you're a grandma or something.
No,
Get
no.
rid of the book. No, are you serious? What have you done? I need to do something. For my dress? Yes, of course. Can I get the scissors? Yes, scissors. Not again, scissors. Just trust me, okay? I will cut here, okay? Yes, but what are you doing to the dress? Just hold on, trust me, okay? You have to trust me. Yes, every time you're saying to trust you. Now I will go down here. Is anyone watching? Nobody will see you anyway. Okay, I guess. Relax, right? Enjoy the ride. Yes, I guess so. But I forgot to tell you, this is my grandma's present. I can see this is your grandma's dress. That's why I want to transform it. Come on. Okay, now let's take it off. Yes, take it off. Okay, now the same for the other side. All right. Okay. I will start here. I hold the front, okay? Yes. Not to fall and everything to be out, you know? Come on. Okay. Lift your yes. All right. Yes. Just hold on. Stretching out every time we turn. Yes. Okay. Last step. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Take it off. Oh my God, it's falling apart. Okay. What do I do with it? Let's use your necklace. Like this? Yes. Yes. Perfect. But there's nothing to hold it. Here. This one right here. Yes. And then what do I do with it? Wait. Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's do it like this. Oh, it matches with my pearls. And your glasses. Okay. Okay. Wow. And now what? I'm saying like that. Cut here. Just to make it shorter. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, turn. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, turn. You said it's your grandma's dress. It's totally fine by the way. Okay. Okay. Now somewhere. Okay, someone do this for me. Yes. I will stuff this. Ooh, I'm getting used to it, you know. Okay. And now we need one last thing. This kind of like you here. You're gonna sleep? Okay, stop. It's enough. Okay. It's a big bag here. Like it's a big big. We need a belt. Okay. Yes. For my yes. Yes. And you're cutting again? Yes. Oh my God. Don't worry. And then what are you gonna do with it? Okay. And now I'm just gonna tie right here. Okay. All right. I think it's good. Yes. It has to dress much nicer. Am I ready? No. Let's get rid of the splashes. Okay. And there's hair. Okay. Wow. Look at you. Oh my God. You look amazing. You did such a good job. Amazing. Awesome.
Look at this.
Oh my
Look
God.
at this. Don't worry. It's fashion, you know.
Oh my God.
It's fashion. Don't worry. So, and one more cut here. Don't run away from me.
That's crazy.
Saw somewhere somebody doing this. Yes. Now take the skirt off. No. Yes. Take the skirt off. Take the skirt off. I have a blanket.
Oh my God.
Don't worry. I have a blanket.
Please hold it, blanket.
Okay, I'm gonna hold. I don't think somebody is watching.
Oh my God.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait.
I need some little assistance.
Okay. Oh my God.
Don't worry. Yes, like this.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Which way is it going? Oh my God. I don't understand.
Oh my God.
Wait.
Oh my God. Let's do some.
Oh, it's red.
Oh my
Okay.
God. Okay.
And now I'm gonna put it. Oh, okay. Let's close it. Okay. We need make your outfit a little bit better.
Oh my God.
So much colors.
Oh my God.
I actually don't know what's gonna turn out. Let's try one more. Help me with this. Help me.
Okay.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. Let's try one more. Oh my God.
So how do you think which color will be this one?
I don't know. Is it? Oh my God. It's blue.
Yes, it's blue. So let's put it there.
Oh.
Okay. Let's mix this up.
Okay. Oh, it's purple. Oh
Yes.
my God. I love purple. Oh my God. It's so much color. It's so pretty.
I hope no one sees this. outside doing crazy stuff.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, so much blue. Okay, okay. Are you ready to see this?
I don't know.
Because I'm totally ready.
So blue.
Look at this. Oh my god. Let's mix it up a little bit. Mix it up. You know what I'm doing.
No,
I'm coloring your boring like clothes.
my boring clothes.
Yes.
You're boring.
Okay, I hope it worked.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god. No, now turn around, turn around. Yes. You know what? Come here, come here.
Okay.
You're gonna wear it.
Now here,
Yes, yes, yes.
in the middle of
Yes, take this, take this. Don't film, don't film, don't film, don't film. Put the skirt on, put the skirt on.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
Now put the top and give me one side. I'm gonna put this one here.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Don't worry, we're already done, you know. I'm so excited. Look at those colors. Okay, you actually can't see, but that's okay. Now, put your hair up. Put your hair up.
Okay, okay.
Yes, good. Now I'm gonna make some little, yes.
Okay.
Just a second. We will gonna take your top off. Take the top off.
Now
Yes,
here.
yes, yes. Don't worry.
Now.
Yes, don't
Okay,
worry,
please
don't worry.
hold my
I'm
hand.
holding. I'm holding.
Okay. Wait.
I saw the colors. They look amazing.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Almost done. Almost done.
Done.
Yes,
Okay.
she's taking off. She's taking off. She's taking the top off.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Oh my god.
And give me your glasses. Some little touches. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god, is it good?
Oh my god, you look stunning. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh
My god.
look at those colors. Oh my god. Show the back. Show the back. Show the back. Yes. Oh my god. Look at this. She's ready.
Yeah. Oh
So
my
do you
god.
like it?
I love it. I love it. It's so
Now this is ain't boring, you know.
It's so pretty. Thank you.